it's me again. What's new? Work my ass off. Not in here. At my work, it's getting busy. So, also, what else is new? The new shop is still over there. Stuff's still in here. Waiting for a roof and waiting for a vehicle to move away. So that's soon. I've been doing some work on a big red. You probably already know that last one. Where am I at? I picked up some map gas. I didn't film it, but tried it on the bolt. Didn't budge. Been spraying it with penetrating oil. I'm gonna try brake fluid, and I'm gonna go find my small little mini torch, and I'm gonna torch that bolt. So, I might make a video of me going, just heating it up right hot, because map gas doesn't do dilly squat, but you know, it's a little hotter than butane. Maybe I need acetylene. I don't know. So anyway, that didn't work. I've been spraying with penetrate. I've been trying it on my extremely cheap, I don't know, PowerMate, maybe Walmart brand freaking impact. Maybe I get a stronger. I'm thinking of also trying a stronger impact gun. I don't know. Maybe I can torque the head right off it and then have to buy a new motor or something. Who knows? Other than that, what else? I've done a few things. I did a couple of tool reviews this week. I'm tired. I got a couple of new parts for the bike in. The other bike is still running zoom zoom around the yard. As soon as the other, what do you call it? As soon as winter comes, the other bike's getting pulled in the garage. Picked up a fender for it. I will try to get some more bike videos. There's a swing arm coming in. Tomorrow I'm moving the swing arm out of the way and I'm working on the sandblaster so I can get the interior tub done. I gotta cut out, weld in some new pieces and just quick spray. I will probably do it in my garage out of the rain. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. My wife's supposed to go to a trunk or treat, so I'm going to try to get it done as fast as I humanly can and video that for you guys. Once I get that done, the only thing left of the sandblaster is put it back together. And basically the bottom square chunk, which I can probably work on without. I could probably work on it with the sandblaster like that. I could probably just put the doors on. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta figure out the next gadget for the sandblaster. And I have a plug to go on it, a bunch of other things. But I want to get that done. I brought my little homemade dolly back. Put the wheels on it so I can wheel it around. And this Honda's driving me nuts. My garage is a mess. I've been doing little odds and ends here that are just not worth videotaping whatsoever. But who knows? Been tinkering around with stupid short videos. And if you're still here, still watching, thanks for watching. I will get back to actually doing something constructive which requires machinery and some kind of use of a little piece of this brain. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'll still be uploading videos. I have no more videos in the queue. Basically, every video that's up now is being made either a week before or whatever. There's no like 60-mile long video list. So I'm forced to make videos or just have the channel go dry. So I'll try not to make the channel go dry. I'll try to have some videos spread out. So the videos will get a little sparingly. They might get a little longer and hopefully a little less yappy. But, you know, what can I do? So, also, if you are subscriber number 1318, I think I have 1318. Thank you for subscribing. You're awesome. Thanks to everybody who subscribed. I can't believe I got past 100, let alone 1,000. I do not have enough watch hours, so I need more people to watch videos so I can actually get monetized. I'm this close to getting. They have like 2 levels of monetization. One's 3,000 hours and one's 4,000. I got about, I don't know, almost 2,000 watch hours so far. So if you guys want to watch some more videos, please do. Helps me out. If you want to go to, I have a playlist that has all my videos in it. You can put it on there, play it. Just let it go through. Put it on another computer. Do whatever you got to do. So, other than that, what's the point of me getting monetized? I don't know. I don't really care. But it's like a YouTube goal, I guess, just get monetized. If I can make some money, I'll buy more tools, buy more stupid shit, fix more stuff, and I will. I got a few projects got to finish up. Like my sign is sitting back there. That's an easy project to get done. It's in boxes. Mind you, the whole garage got to get packed up. I have a little handle I was making for the milling machine. That's got to get done. So, other than that, it's bleh. I'm tired, and I still haven't figured out what this thing is. I think it's a meat chopper. It's not sharp. It's flat. It's round. Go to one of my videos. If you can figure out what this is, I don't know. Maybe I'll send it to you. Thanks for watching. Click some buttons and have a great day.